the acting mayor of Davao. Hindi rin daw napakita na mahina ang kalusugan ni Duterte despite what Kaufman's supposed evidence said or even what Duterte has said. Doon naman sa bansang pumayag na pagpuntahan ni Duterte sa kanyang interim release, hindi raw kakayanin doon ang electronic tracking, which makes it impossible to even consider the country na gustong tumanggap kay Duterte para paglagakan ni Duterte para sa kanyang interim release. Not that it would have had happened. Pero a win for Duterte, kahit na hindi naman siya win talaga. Disqualified si ICC lead prosecutor Karim Khan ayon sa nakuhang papeles ng Reuters over perceived conflict of interest. Siya kasi ang nakipag-usap sa pamilya ng mga biktima ng war on drugs. He was also the one to proceed with the prosecution ni Duterte. I told you all, walang bearing ang Senate resolution expressing urgency to grant Duterte house arrest. Wala ring bearing ang pagkatanggal ni Kaufman. Alam naman natin na hindi papayagan ang interim release ni Duterte. And this has been kind of Kaufman just taking money from the Duterte, just draining the coffers ng mga Duterte. Mataas ang cost of living sa Netherlands.
Welcome everyone to Weekly News and a DW Main Major tidbit, and the topic for this video is